Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. We're here with Mary's haul. In my first video talking about my haul, I just real quick, I had put an ad in the a local recycling website that I was looking for craft items, and I listed the different things that I would look for and use. So my wonderful, nice friend Mary, they're retired, and so she had given me a bunch of items quite a while back, but now her neighbor Mary Jo is going into a senior living, and so she's getting rid of a lot of stuff. So she gave me a call, and I had a whole trunk load of stuff from her. So this is the next box or package. Actually, this is a big grocery sack that we're going to go through. So I just wanted to share the next part of the haul. Okay, so we have, let me zoom in a little more. So we have a baggie of goodies here. Ooh, some velvet ribbon. Ooh, I like that. Christmas cloth ribbon. That is gorgeous. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, some oops, I'm sorry. Some pink ribbon here. Lace sheen. This is bold. Very fun. Oh, some little trinkets here. Some trinkets, a snowman. And some stretchy cordage with jewels on it. Sorry, I'm off camera. So let's see what else she's got. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's a little puffy stuffed Dutch lady. Oh, darling, she's even got a braid of hair. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. It looks like we have a bag of, just a whole goodie bag of stuff. There's a little Christmas tree. Looks like some ribbons. It's just an assortment of some cross grain ribbons and some laces. And oh, this is cool. Look at that. It's stretchy, almost like a hair tie in a way. That's cute. So just an assortment of ribbons and the little snowman that was there. So awesome. Great find. Not find, but great generosity. Great little treasure. Okay, then she's got some wrapping papers. Oh, look at that vintage wrapping paper. I love vintage wrapping paper. It's usually thick and it's folded in squares. Here's some brand new. 35 cents. Bridal shower. That's cute. Look at those. How fun. Roses. It says 1997 on this one. Wedding paper. Oh, this is darn cute. Love that one. Oh, that's even more cute. Oh, I love that. That is darling. Love that. Wrapping paper is great for adding into journals. It's just another type of paper that you can add in the journal. They are so much fun. So she gave me a piece of leather it's just a scrap piece. And I have a journal that I'm working on that I am going to attach leather to a wood cover. And so how exciting. I can't talk about what it's for because I don't want the person to know yet. But believe me, I will share with you. Okay. She also gave me a roll of wrapping paper. This is old. Okay, I'll put that out of the way. And then in the bag is another box. So let's see what we got. How much fun. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, how dainty and cute. Look at that. It's like a paper cutout. Oh my goodness. That's very fragile. It's very thin doily, lace doily. Looks like it's a whole box of Valentines. Okay. Wow, look at those. Look at that. Handle with care. Look at all this gorgeous ephemera. Look at that. Look at that little here. Oh. 1941. Oh my goodness. Look at all this tiny stuff. It's just so dainty. Little tiny trims, and oh boy, I could have so much fun collaging with this stuff. All these doilies, and oh my goodness, there's so much here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Some crepe paper. All kinds of just little tiny cutouts of Valentines. Oh, these would be so great. Oh, look at that one. Wow. That looks really old. 1930. That's a long time to hold on to that stuff. Oh my goodness, look at that. I bet you that's 1930 or so. I don't, oh, the date's not on it. Wow, that is so cute. Can you see it? Wow. So beautiful. And you know what? And I'm just so thrilled that, I don't know if she has family or anything, but to think that all of this was going to go just in the trash or whatever, and I can now, use their stuff or her stuff to proudly put into journals that somebody else can enjoy, history of someone's life. I just think that's awesome. Oh, some of this stuff is just so adorable. And how beautiful that she kept it. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, that's a little pop out. So much stuff. Such beautiful things. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so, that's got to be so old. What is, 1934. Oh my goodness. I should treasure some of these things myself and put in my glue book, and put it in my glue book, and then I will think of her that she's the one that gave that to me and shared her items. That's just so awesome. Wow, the whole thing is just filled with all kinds of super Valentines. I can imagine holding on to, well, I do save a lot of my stuff, but I actually have a lot of my husband's letters to me when he was in the military, when he was away. So I want to do a journal somehow of preserving all those letters. I do have some cards and stuff too. To the dearest husband in the world. Your loving wife, Caroline. Huh. So, isn't that wonderful? Just such beautiful stuff. Oh. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm not even all the way through the box yet, but it's just absolutely fabulous. Vintage stuff. Cute. Oh, announcing new arrival. Cute. Sorry if you hear my dog snoring. I have a miniature boxer, so she's, what do they call it, short-nosed, and so you can always hear her snoring. And she follows me everywhere, so it's hard for me to videotape without her being in the room with me. Oh, is that Sammy the Seal, 1954. Share her umbrella, 1954. And some crepe paper. That vintage crepe paper will be really cool to use in a journal too. That's pretty old too. Cute. I'm almost to the bottom of the box. Maybe I'll do a giveaway and share some of this with you all. Look at that. It's just such cool stuff. Look at that. Little boy on fishing. That. Doesn't have a date. Couple more things and then we're at the bottom. Well, it looks like there's something that goes in there. Cute. Okay, well, that was the grocery sack. So there was a goodie bag of ribbons and whatnot, and this huge box of Valentines, vintage Valentines. So much fun. Oh, can't wait to go through and organize it. And all these, look at all these old crepe paper hearts. Cute, aren't they? So there we go. That takes care of that bag. Now I'll be back with another video of the big giant box that's here on the floor. So I will do that in the next video. All right, thanks for watching Mary's haul. All right, bye-bye.